I'm Scott with Marcs Mobility. Today we're unboxing the golden PR447. This is the Rhea lift recliner. It has Nirvana Massage, HeatWave heat, and Twilight Tilt, so stay tuned. This is the PR447 by Golden Technologies, also known as the Rhea with Twilight Tilt. If you're interested in this unit or want to know pricing, there's going to be links in the description below, so go ahead and check that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, or visit our website. With that, we're going to start unboxing. It's going to come on a pallet like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a knife and we're going to cut the tape on the outside. Be very careful to not cut into your product. I don't want you to damage it. So here's the unit. Up top actually is our backrest, so we can go ahead and lift that up and get it out of the way. And then in here is our chair. Let's see if there's anything I need to move. Doesn't look like it. Looks like next step is just cutting the box. So what I'm going to do, we're going to cut the corners of the box. Be very careful. There is these kind of cardboard guards on the corners so that you don't cut into the unit. Just be very careful. Stay right on the corner. Check, make sure you don't cut anything. If you do, it's not covered under warranty. Just be very careful in doing this. But we're going to cut the sides of the box. So you can see these are the guards I was talking about. They're not very wide, so again, when you're cutting the corners, make sure you stay right on that corner. If you get an inch too far to the side, you might cut into the chair. We don't want to do that. So I'll go ahead and cut the rest of the corners. There we go, so I have the corners cut. So I have the box cut away now. Now, in order to get it off the pallet, I would recommend a second person. These golden lift recliners are a bit heavier than some of the other ones on the market. They are handmade. So for that reason, I do recommend a second person. Then we're just gonna slide it off the pallet. Yeah. There we go, that's good. And now I'm gonna take a moment to clean up, and then we're gonna get to the actual assembly of this unit. I've got a lot of the packing material out of the way now. Next thing I'm gonna do, we have a lot of our electronics and cables. They're zip tied to the frame here. So we're gonna cut those zip ties. So then here's some of our connector cables. And then in here, I think this is our reading light, which is one of the accessories that it comes with. Yes, this is our reading light. On here on the right-hand side is your owner's manual, right here. And then it's also got a quick start guide that shows you how to do what we're going over right now. I don't think there's anything on the left side. Now, one quick side note that I wanted to mention before we continue with the video is the charger. There's two chargers, and then these little feet are actually attached underneath the chair. So once you take it off the pallet, before we start attaching the back and everything, I would recommend getting those out. They're zip tied under the frame. You might have to tilt it to the side. I had to get them out while the chair was fully assembled because this is a future part of the video. So make sure you take those out before you attach the back on. You also get these feet that can go underneath the chair. This is also much easier before attaching the back to the frame. So I just wanted to add this little part in here. So now it's time to add the back onto the unit. The back is a little heavy, so I actually recommend a second person for this. And it just slides onto these little sliders here. I'll show you in a video overlay what that looks like. But once you drop it down, it should click on both sides and it is secure. So if I start pulling up, we're good to go. Now that we have the back on, we're going to attach all of our connectors. They have, these are your main power and electronics. Then these are your hoses for your heat and massage. And they have a connection point up here. So what I'm going to do, luckily because they are color coded, I'm going to connect the yellow hose to the yellow hose. And they should snap in. White to the white. Then black to black. Then there's these two that are hanging down. You kind of can't see them because they're up in the chair a little ways, but you'll connect those. It doesn't matter which one goes into which on these two little ones. So those are done. Now we're going to do our main electronics. We have red going into red, and then there's a little latch that's going to secure it. These only go one way, so make sure you have them lined up the correct way. And finally, your main power right here. Again, this one also only goes one way. There's an arrow on the cable right here pointing to where it goes, and then right here. So make sure those are lined up. Once that's in, you just attach this screw. Now the last thing to do is attach our power cables. They were attached here with a zip tie, so I cut the zip tie. One of these is your main power, one of these is going to be your heat and massage. This one with the larger of these two boxes is your heat and massage. This one's your main power. And the reason I say that is because you have two different chargers. You have a normal charger that plugs into the wall. Then you have your lithium-ion battery backup charger. You want the lithium-ion battery to go to the main power. This has an attachable battery. And basically what this is let's say you're in your chair, you're reclined, and a storm comes and knocks out the power. This will give you enough power to get yourself up and out of the chair. So you want this to go to your main power. So again, the main power is the smaller of these two boxes. So I'll attach these. And you plug the other end into your wall. And then I'll just do the normal charger for your heat and massage. So now that that's done, your joystick or your remote control is going to be on the right hand side. This controls all your functions. I will go over how to use this in the full review. The full review will be linked down in the description below. Up front you also have your cell phone charger, and on the other side your heat and massage remote is in here. And then we also have an accessory port and a cup holder. So once again, this has been the unboxing and assembly of the PR447, the Rhea by Golden Technologies. This one has the Twilight Tilt, the heat and massage that's built into the unit. So if you have any questions, go ahead and give us a call or visit our website. There's a link in the description to this product as well if you'd like to order one. Thank you for watching this video.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.